In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Snapchat Spotlight feed. The first thing you want to do is you want to clear the Snapchat cache. To do that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your device settings. This will work both on iOS and Android devices, but obviously the UI is going to look slightly different, but the main principle is the same thing. You basically want to go to your settings, then you want to go ahead and look up apps just like so. Then please go ahead and select on that. Then go ahead and look for Snapchat. So let's just type in Snapchat. Yeah, here it is. Then once you found Snapchat, all you want to do is you want to go scroll down until you see storage. Then you're going to see this option that says clear cache and clear data. So I recommend that you guys clear the cache. Clearing the data is a little bit more extreme. That is going to wipe out like all your data, like your images and stuff like that. So I don't really recommend doing that unless like it's really extreme case and you really want to change your Spotlight. So clearing the cache will remove any temporary files or any corrupted files and basically give Snapchat a brand new slate. But that is not all. You guys could also go ahead and make some changes to the settings. So here we are in Snapchat. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on your profile picture. Then go to the top right and select on the gear icon. And you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit more. In certain regions of the world, underneath privacy control, you're going to see an option that says content preferences or personalized controls, and you can go ahead and select on that. Unfortunately, I don't have it in my region, but I want you to go ahead and see if you have an option that looks like that underneath privacy control, because that could actually help you out significantly. The next thing you want to do is you want to hide or block unwanted content. So while you're browsing Spotlight, go ahead and press and hold the snap you don't like. So let's say we don't like this snap over here. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on not interested right over here. And then there you go. It is going to change your recommendations. And oh my goodness, what is this? It's going to press on not interested right over here. And not going to lie, I don't really like these videos. So let's just go ahead and press on not interested right over here. And also you want to limit engagement with Spotlight. So you want to avoid tapping on the Spotlight tab if you don't want it to dominate your feed. Focus on interacting with friend stories or chats to shift Snapchat's algorithm away from Spotlight content. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.